If you use Google Chrome every day, optimizing your settings can make your browsing faster, safer, and more efficient. In this video, we'll go through the best Chrome settings in 2025 that every user should know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. First, let's focus on privacy and security. Enabling enhanced safe browsing protects you from phishing and malicious sites in real time. Make sure your browser is set to block third-party cookies and adjust site permissions for location, microphone, and camera to control what websites can access. Using Chrome's password manager is also essential. It generates strong passwords, stores them securely, and alerts you if any are compromised. Next, improve your performance and speed. Enable hardware acceleration in the settings to let Chrome use your computer's GPU for smoother graphics and faster video playback. You can also clear cached images and files regularly to prevent slowdowns. If you frequently open many tabs, using tab groups or the tab search feature helps you stay organized and reduces clutter. For productivity, make sure sync is enabled so your bookmarks, history, extensions, and passwords are accessible across devices. You can also explore Chrome extensions to automate tasks, block ads, or enhance productivity, but be mindful of installing only trusted extensions to maintain speed and security. Finally, check the appearance settings. You can show the bookmarks bar for quick access, enable dark mode, and adjust font sizes for easier reading. In conclusion, optimizing your Chrome browser settings can improve security, performance, and productivity. By adjusting privacy settings, enabling hardware acceleration, managing tabs efficiently, and syncing your data across devices, you'll get the most out of Chrome. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and browser tutorials.